Good evening, Sahbaz Alam welcomes you in Forensic Pioneer. Here I will analyze the syllabus of Forensic Science for CBSE NET JRF. Today I will talk about Unit 1 and Unit 2 of Forensic Science. First of all, I will see the Unit 1. Unit 1 is further subdivided into 3 units. First subunit is basic aspect of forensic science. It includes meaning, definition, and origin of forensic science, basic principle of forensic science such as law of individuality, law of comparison, law of exchange, law of progressive change, and law of probability. History and development of forensic science, which include contribution of different scientists in the field of forensic science, role of various agencies in the field of forensic science, step-wise development of forensic science since 18th century, ancient aspect of forensic science, present status of forensic science, and various aspects of important book in the field of forensic science, organization of forensic science laboratory in India, other forensic agencies and its allied, and quality management in the field of forensic science. Subunit 2 include crime scene management and investigation. It include location identification, protection of crime scene, photography, sketch making, crime scene search, collection, preservation, packing, forwarding, and chain of custody. The third subunit include legal aspect of forensic science. It include acts and section required in the field of forensic science in Indian scenario, such as Indian Evidence Act, Indian Penal Code, CRPC, NDPS Act, UAP Act, Indian Explosive Substance Act, and Indian Arms Act. This was all about Unit 1. We have to see Unit 2, which include instrumental technique in the field of forensic science. This unit is further subdivided into 5 subunits. The first subunit is microscopic technique. It includes basic facts which contain meaning and definition of microscopy and microscope, basic facts and theories associated with microscopy. Type of microscope is optical, electronic, and scanning, resolution, resolving power, magnification, polarization, and focal length, working of different types of lenses. Second portion is study of different microscope, which include theory associated with principle of construction and mode of working, application, advantage, disadvantage, and limitation of different type of microscope with polarizing, comparison, scanning, stereoscopic, fluorescent, and electron microscope. Third portion is recent advances in the field of microscopy such as STEM and SEM-EDX. Subunit 2 contains spectrophotometry. Its first portion is basic facts, that is meaning and definition of spectroscopy and spectrophotometry, various theories and calculation related with different type of spectrophotometry. Second portion is study of different spectrophotometry, which include theory associated with principle, construction and mode of working, application, advantage, disadvantage, and limitation of different type of spectrophotometry such as UV visible, IR, and atomic absorption. Recent advances in the field of spectrophotometry. Third subunit contains chromatographic technique. which include basic facts, that is meaning and definition of chromatography, historical and other aspect of chromatography, RF factor, retention time, chromatogram and quantification. Second portion is study of different type of chromatographic technique, which include theory associated with principle of mode of working and construction, application, advantage, disadvantage and limitation of different type of chromatography such as TLC, GLC, GCMS and HPLC. Recent advances in the field of chromatographic technique such as HPTLC, LCMS, IC, ICMS, ICPMS, etc. Subunit 4 include electrophoretic technique. It contains basic facts which include meaning and definition of electrophoresis, factor affecting movement of particle in the gel, basic concept of electrophoresis, component of electrophoresis, study of different type of electrophoresis which include theory associated with principle of mode of working and construction, application, advantage, disadvantage and limitation of different type of electrophoretic techniques such as gel, immuno, high and low electrophoresis, and recent advances in relevant field of electrophoretic techniques such as capillary electrophoresis. Subunit 5 is other technique such as neutron activation analysis, X-ray analysis and nuclear magnetic resonance. It includes theory associated with principle of mode of working, application, advantage, disadvantage, limitation of various techniques such as NAA, X-ray analysis and nuclear magnetic resonance. Recent advances in relevant field. That all for today. For any incoming information in the field of forensic science, please subscribe my channel. You may advise me in inbox. For any other information, you may like and follow my Facebook page for getting more information related to field of forensic science. Let us go. Good night.